Weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist, Kate McKenna.
It is a deceptively quiet view right now across North Alabama on the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. Yeah, a couple spotty showers showing up here and there, but just along our southern fringes, we've got a line of storms knocking on our door, and they're continuing to organize here. And along this line, there are little bursts of stronger wind. That's exactly what we've got happening there now, just north of Columbus with that severe thunderstorm warning. Storms just now moving now north of Birmingham, so they're going to be in our area by 6:30. I've been adjusting the timeline here as I've been watching the speed of these thunderstorms kind of pick up just a little bit. So 62 miles away from I-65 and 565, so the heart of North Alabama. Again, I reiterate that is 6:30 the arrival time. Keep that in mind as we go through this forecast. I'll point that out to you again in just a second. But temperatures right now, we've been warming. We've seen some sun breaking through the clouds, upper 70s, lower 80s. It's about as warm as we are going to be today. So remember, I told you that storms are arriving by about 6:30 around 565 and I-65. Well, our trash pandas have first pitch at 6:35. So we'll be watching this one pretty closely for maybe some lightning delays, rain delays. 77 degrees at first pitch if we manage to get this game started on time. 73 degrees by the 7th inning. That is without any kind of rain delays. So again, kind of tentative at this point. As we go through the rest of this evening into tonight, this data source has really not picked up well that line of storms, but it does see some activity drifting in from the south. And it also shows a little bit of a breather here by tomorrow morning. We're not going to see much in the way of a break from the rain once these storms roll through tomorrow evening, then through tomorrow night into Thursday. But here's 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We start to see some isolated showers and storms popping up here with some daytime heating, and notice a few bands of thunderstorms developing by 4 o'clock. This is just the beginning of this. Look at the widespread thunderstorms in place through tomorrow evening. If you've got a later commute, you might want to try and give yourself some extra time for that heading home from work tomorrow, because we are going to have quite some heavy rain and some likely ponding on the roads as a result. There's 8 o'clock. All of this tries to push up into Tennessee. There's 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Here's a very small break before we get into 7 o'clock Thursday morning. More rain and thunderstorms rolling in from the west over Sand Mountain by noon, and we'll still have rounds of rain and storms moving through Thursday before finally on Friday we only have isolated showers in our forecast. But these rain chances just really spike through the second half of the day tomorrow. Our temperatures will still get into the lower 80s. It's windy for Wednesday. Winds mainly out of the southeast, at times gusting up to 30 miles per hour, and a stronger storm is possible as well. It's a level 1 out of 5 on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center, so that's a marginal risk. And our main concern is going to be some gusty wind. All of us, if you are stuck under one of these thunderstorms, are going to be getting some heavy rain and some frequent lightning. In total, an additional 2 to 3 inches with locally higher amounts possible through Friday morning. Friday morning is the cutoff for all of that rainfall, because just in time for the holiday weekend, the rain is winding down and the temperatures are ramping back up. We will be cooling into the mid 70s on Friday, but we've got a high near 90 on Memorial Day.